House, and welcome to our thermal technology demonstration here today. My name is Mike Mansuetti. I'm president of Robert Bosch LLC, responsible for our Bosch operations here in North America. So welcome to the house. Glad you're here. With me today is Mark Stimson. Mark will give us an overview of the thermal technology ideas that we have here on display at CES. But first, let me tell you a little bit of how it works. Mark will go through probably a 30-minute session. We'll have some time for Q&A, and then we'll have some time for individual interviews after that if you're so inclined. But before I pass it over to Mark, let me tell you a little bit first about Bosch. We've been around 126 years, so we're a global company, basically divided up into 4 business sectors. So you might know us for automotive technology. Maybe many of you have heard of us in the automotive technology, or maybe also in our consumer area. Consumer technology in terms of appliances or the power tools that we have on display. But we also have an industrial technology sector, and we're proud to this year have a brand new building and energy technology sector, which we'll be touching on a little bit more later. So Bosch is really everywhere. So we're a global company with over 300,000 people. In sales in 2011 were $72 billion. Here in North America, we reached right $9.8 billion. We have 23,000 associates in North America, and 2011 was a record-setting year for us with 11% growth. So we're also committed to innovation. Invented for life is our tagline. So we spent in 2011 about $5.8 billion on research and development. A lot of that, almost half of that, in energy-saving technology and innovation, of which we'll talk a little bit more about here shortly. We're also committed to our customers. Our goal is really enhancing the quality of life for our partners, our customers, and we're really committed to building a long-lasting, trusting relationship. So that's a little bit about Bosch. Now I'd like to turn it over to Mark and his team to talk a little bit more about the great things that are happening in the thermal technology area. Mark?
Thank you, Mike. Welcome to the thermal technology portion of the Bosch Home. Here we're actually creating solutions for a sustainable life. We're combining both renewable energy as well as energy efficient appliances to deliver comfort to a homeowner. Here at the show we're exhibiting not only appliances but some of the interoperability, some of the control systems that allow these smart appliances to actually talk to each other and integrate to provide more combined solutions. So here at our section of the booth, we've got a number of interesting types of technologies that I'd like to kind of showcase to you. The first of which is the solar thermal panels. These panels are primarily designed to collect heat from the sun and deliver those to the domestic hot water system. In many places here in the United States, you can save as much as 80% on your domestic hot water, natural gas, and electricity costs. So it's a very efficient way of heating your hot water. Integrating the sun with tankless technology is an excellent way of combining multiple Bosch appliances. These tankless units are on-demand water heaters, 98% efficient, and have actually integrated what we call solar mode incorporated into the technology. So it'll accept preheated water from the solar system and not short cycle, but actually either divert directly into the domestic hot water system, or it'll actually make up the difference and deliver 120 degrees. So a nice complement in the instance where, let's say, the sun is not shining and you need some type of backup. We also have a wall-hung boiler. This is primarily a high-efficient hot water heating device, but also for in-floor heating. Many homes are now incorporating in-floor heating as an excellent way of creating comfort in the home. The Green Star boilers that Bosch manufactures are 97% efficient, Energy Star compliant, and both combine in a domestic hot water as well as in a space heating application. There's built-in technology that again enables the boiler to integrate solar thermal in the instance where you want to basically offset natural gas or propane costs in order to, again, manage your overall energy usage. So again, built-in intelligence with the control systems within our Green Star boilers temperature differentials are a nice way of basically being able to integrate renewables as well as energy efficiency. Here we have a ground source heat pump. So this is a renewable technology where we're actually using the ground as a way to exchange heat, moving BTUs from the ground into the home space for either cooling or heating. Again, the ground is a very stable way of storing energy, and we are able, through heat pump technology, we're able to extract either warmth of the ground in a heating mode or pulling the properties of the earth for a cooling mode in the summer months. We have a new control thermostat, which is primarily accessible by your computer, so you can actually control setup settings, temperatures, zones within your house in order to optimize the overall comfort of your home. It also provides email alerts if there's maintenance requirements, so it's a nice way to provide the homeowner as well as the contractor heads up on any type of preventive maintenance with regards to the appliances. So that provides you with a general overview of some of the key components that Bosch manufactures. We're also showcasing the technologies at Serenbe in Georgia. Serenbe is a sustainable community that has very similar philosophy, design considerations when it comes to energy efficiency and sustainability. They have a net zero home development. Bosch has basically provided the key components, including the thermal technology devices, but also photovoltaics, as well as Bosch household appliances. So it's a fully integrated package that basically delivers net zero energy, so allowing the homeowner to basically pay nothing for their energy at the end of the year. In addition to the net zero homes at Serenbe, Bosch also has its first Bosch Experience Center, so under a single roof. We're doing similar to what we're doing here at the Consumer Electronics Show. We're basically showcasing all the various different Bosch products that basically deliver the smart home. Not only in thermal technology, household appliances, power tools, intelligence, fuel injection systems. So it's a place where not only you learn, but you also have the ability to experience net zero and also the comfort that various different Bosch technologies deliver.